Howdy, my name is Daniel Rodriguez. I am the owner and executive chef of WoodFire Catering. I am also a kidney recipient as of March 6, 2020. WoodFire is a all-around catering company. We've been in business for 4 years, besides taking 1 year off for my kidney issues. But that's actually been my call base since then. Besides serving the community, we've actually now started serving dialysis patients. We make family meals during the week and a monthly special, which is like $50 with free delivery. And so it kind of takes away from you having to drive somewhere, dealing with the curbside pickup and things like that. We come to you and we deliver. Going first with what you could eat, having a traditional turkey. Seasoning, you want to be careful with the seasoning. Think about it when you inject it with the butter. It does have salt in it. Some of the seasonings do have a lot of salt in the flavorings, so you want to reduce that by staying away from the skin area and mainly dealing with the white meat. There's several that you could have. Stuffing you can have, same thing, just watch the salt intake. With our dressing, we actually cook the cornbread. The seasonings that we put into it are your basic celery, which is good for us, apples, and we kind of reduce them down with a light unsalted butter. If it feels too dry, add in a little bit of applesauce, it's not gonna hurt it. If you need a green, is your green beans, just your home style, Texas style green beans. We do make the casserole and we try to stay away from the salt areas. Very light on the cheese. You can do from, instead of doing like the cream of mushroom, they actually make a golden mushroom that you can substitute for it. That would help quite a bit. Corn, obviously, corn is kind of one of those, yes you can, yes, no you can't kind of deal. But one that you could regularly do is a roasted corn outside, and then just kind of just chuck it off and you've got, your side dish right there. Mac and cheese we do add cheese into it, but instead of milk to make it creamier, we actually go with an almond milk. Cranberries is always a great one, but you want to watch, from the can, a lot of sugar intake into it, and a lot of potassium. We make ours fresh, and we do kind of get the orange peel, kind of grate it into it to give it that splash of orange, but it's not too much, and we just basically reduce it down to where it just becomes into fresh cranberry sauce. The foods to avoid, I would say fried turkey. Anything that you think that's gonna have salted butter. Anything with potatoes, you definitely want to stay away from, just because of the phosphorus and the potassium that's in it. And so anything that has cream cheese in it. With dessert, one that's not going to hurt you is pumpkin. Pumpkin is really, really good. Just stay away from the Cool Whip. Stay away from the dark chocolate that they like to drip on it. You definitely want to stay away from pecans. Any sort of nuts, raw nuts or any sort that you want to stay away from. Beverages to stick with, obviously water, H2O. Keep yourself hydrated through the holidays. Tea is not bad for you. Root beer is not bad for you either. But I would definitely stay away from like the Big Red, the Dr. Pepper, the ones that have the food colorings into them. You definitely want to stay away from those. Phone number would be 210-621-5124. We have a Facebook business page called DR WoodFire. You can also reach out to us on Instagram through Messenger. That works also.